This is a proof of payment from this particular website. And as you all know, I don't think give you fake information. I'm going to be telling you pros and cons of this particular website. Everything you need to know about this particular website, I'm going to be telling you in this video. Actually, this film is from my colleague. And guess what, guys? It's going to shock you. You're going to be making money playing game from this particular website. At first, I thought it was actually a lie, but it turned out to be true. So let me show you exactly how the website works and everything you need to know about the website. Let's get started. So I'm going to drop you the link to this particular website in the description box for you to get access to it. You are going to be registering with your Gmail address and inputting your password. This website does not work for Nigerians. Sorry guys. It actually works for non-Nigerian watching my videos. So I just suggested. I actually tried using VPN though. I tried using VPN, but it was not working. I was blocked after 2 minutes. I created the account. But I would suggest that you should what's it called? You should check your IP address first before you register. Did you guess? You have to use different browser. So for non-Nigerians watching this video, you are going to be registering with your Gmail address and create your password. You are going to be seeing different games on this particular website, just like this, and you can easily start performing your tasks. There are two ways to make money from this particular website, which is surveys and playing of games. And your withdrawal method from this particular website is through PayPal, gift card, and cryptocurrency wallet. Okay. The other way you can make money is by referring people as well. So Nigerians can actually make money from this particular website just only by referring. So I don't think it's going to waste your time anyways. Alright guys, that's all about this. See you in the next one and don't take care of yourself.